Papa,
Yes, Magla.
we all suffer from period cramps every single month. What's the best natural remedy?
Okay.
And there are few medicines in the market. Is it safe to use?
See, of course, the medicines which is available in the market, they are safe to use. But you know, Magla, what happens though? Those things are not like a permanent solution. They're all just like temporary solutions. I've seen a lot of girls during the periods time, you know, they keep on munching some tablets, they keep on drinking something in thinking that they are going to get rid out of this period pains. But Magla, it doesn't work like that. You know, you need to prepare your body before the periods. That's why I keep on telling to many of my patients, those are suffering from this lot of period cramps and pains, at least 1 week before the period, you know, start doing lot of exercises, start eating healthy food, take lots and lots of water, meditate, manage yourself in a very healthy lifestyle. Definitely this is going to help you out. And also, you know, Magle, the more medicines you take for this pain management, I've seen a lot of people, medicines, it's nothing but chemicals, right? So once the intervention of the chemicals happens in the body, definitely there will be hormonal changes. In that moment, it can give you like soothing, no pain effect. But in future, it might definitely harm your hormones. Of course, if there is an hormone imbalances, thyroid, PCOD, PCOS, all these things will start. So my humble suggestions to all the girls, those are suffering because of the period pain, is get into yogic lifestyle. I'm going to do some of my yoga poses for the, you know, for period cramps itself. Okay, very soon I'm going to post it. Follow that and get into healthy lifestyle, food, good sleep, good exercises, good rest. All these things are very important. Also, one more thing, Magla, if you observe in those days, you know, the period girls were made to rest at home because they need to rest during that period. Their body will be stressed, the body will be tired. But nowadays, what's happening because of the lifestyle, you know, we are roaming here and there even during the periods also. This is what is making the situation more worse. So my humble request is, whenever you have if you get a chance to rest during the periods, that will be fantastic. Just rest. Have your own holiday time at your room, you know, on your bed. That is the best thing to do. And also keep drinking the warm water like what you're doing now. Okay, do it.